Tips for installing Dogbone inserts correctly. Have installed both upper and lower. It causes some wild vibration when taking off in first. I'll say the main reason for that is you really, when you put the inserts in, before you tighten the bolts back down, you need to ensure that the motor is in a neutral position and not loading up one way or the other. If the motor's weight is pushing on the insert and then you tighten that bolt, you're just forcing the motor into the insert, and then when you accelerate, it pushes even harder into it.
Yeah, and I've seen some where the clocking is a little off, and then you end up with basically the aluminum right up against the plastic of the mount, essentially.
That's the other thing. Make sure there's no short circuit from one hard part to another. You want to make sure there's rubber between all the parts.
The other one is OEM mounts. They sag sometimes, and so it makes them hit a little bit.
Yeah, and the factory mounts can sag, and again, there's a plastic kind of in the middle of the mount is a plastic standoff, and if that plastic touches anywhere on the insert, it's going to transfer vibrations directly. And in some rare cases, I've seen like extra plastic there that has to be kind of ground off with a file or something like that.
I've seen that, but
if it's sticking out.
But yeah, no, there shouldn't be any harsh there should never be any vibrate I'm trying to think of how to explain this, a real sharp, crisp vibration. If you're getting something that is rattly, then like Jawad said, you've short circuited something, and you're somehow the mount is interacting directly with the plastic on either the outside shell or some other hard part that it shouldn't be. It should be fully contained within rubber. There'll be about a 1/4 inch or so minimum between everything.